Hi there, students. A putsch. A putsch. Okay, this is another word for a coup d'etat. It's interesting, in English we've got this German word, a putsch, or a French word, a coup d'etat. This talks about a violent attempt to overthrow the government, to take power away from the government. It's a secret plot that is suddenly executed, and it's an attempt to overthrow the government, to remove a government by force. I think more commonly it's called a coup, but this word putsch is perfectly valid. I think particularly we use this word putsch for the coming to power of the Nazi Party. We have the Putsch in 1920. In 1934, we've got the Night of the Long Knives, where there was a supposed putsch by Ernest Röhm against Hitler, and he used this as a justification to kill his enemies. There's also the question of was the rebellion by the Wagner group in Russia recently in 2023, was this a putsch, or perhaps was the insurrection at the Capitol Hill, was this a putsch as well, an attempt to overthrow the government? But a putsch, a coup d'etat, an illegal effort to overthrow the current government. So after the failed putsch, the leaders of the putsch were executed in public. I get the feeling that a putsch, it can be successful or not, it depends. It's a sudden attempt to overthrow the government. It's a political revolt, a sudden and violent uprising. An attempt to push out the government, to knock the government from power, to overthrow the government. And this is a coup d'etat. It's an attempt to take over, to remove a government by force, a takeover. So a putsch. I think along history there have been many different putsches, many different attempts to remove governments by force, and I think this is something that you need a very stable country to avoid the possibility of a putsch. Okay, I'm trying to think. When was the Tejero putsch in Spain? This was like 1976, 1977, I think 76, something like that. So a putsch, and it's an attempt to overthrow the government. A group rises up and tries to overthrow the government. We've also got putschist as an adjective. So a putschist is somebody who believes that the government should be removed by force, or putschist ideas, putschist attitudes. It's a secret plot to overthrow the government, to get rid of the government. So there have been a lot of changes in the country since the failed putsch last year. It's a violent sudden political uprising, a coup d'etat, an attempt to change the government. Okay, what about formality, a putsch? I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Yeah, I'm going to give it a 6. I would say you could use it anywhere, but it's a fraction on the more formal side. And then as to origin, it comes from a Swiss German word, Putsch, meaning a knock, a thrust, a blow. So, Putsch.